This video teach everyone how to assemble a 5-inch Nightingale rack. These are during the installation process. Tools that will be used. Take out the tail print button. Take out the power cord. Thread the power cord into the tail button like this and install it. Take out the power cord fixing screw. There are 2 in total. Screw on the head of the M2. Just tighten it. Take out the GPS printout. Stuff it like this. Take out the camera holder of the M5 fixing screw. Go through this hole. Take out the M5 anti-skid nut. Just screw it in by hand. So our tail print. The installation is complete. First take out the motor arms and light guide strip. Press the light guide strip into the motor arm-like groove like this. Press the trend to go up. Then align with the motor arm and cut off the excess light strip, so a light bar is installed. We quickly put the rest of the light bars, all installed. If the light bar is not easy, we can use softer tools. Be careful not to use hard tools. Go press the light bar. Otherwise, the light bar will be damaged. Affect the light guide effect. Take out our base plate first. This is the position of the machine head. Take out the logo print in the middle. Install it. Note that there are grooves facing forward with the missing corners at both ends. The part is facing up. Don't install it upside down. Then take out the GB fixing screw. Put it in through this M4 hole on the bottom of the base plate. Tuck it in first. Then use an M4 screwdriver to screw it in. Twist it until you almost see a knot. Just expose it. Then align the motor arm holes with the screws. A little bit of pressure. After screwing the screw in, it's almost enough to miss a little screw head. It is more convenient to install the middle plate. It looks like this after it's installed. Then take out the rear arm, alignment hole. Also screw the screw to a little bit. Press down with a little force. Screw the screw in. Just twist it until you nod. After installing the 2 motor arms, that's about it. Then take out our light board. Open the lamp board packaging. The light board is integrated with a BB buzzer. When installing, the plug is facing up. The machine wall is a fixed slot with a lamp board installed. Card the bottom in first. Card the top in again. The next step is to remove the remaining wall. Install it in the same way as before. This is how the motor arms are properly installed. Take out the receiver. Fixed side plate. There are 2 wires in total. It's all welded. It can be used by plugging it in directly. Pay attention to the left and right when using it. First, find the card slot of the fixed key and align it. Then press in. Same thing on the left. Find the fixed card slot and press it in. Then take out the medium plate. This black piece on the middle plate is the heat-dissipating aluminum part for the VTX. We have already pressed it in advance. Then run the wire through this hole in the middle plate. The other wire has to go through this hole. Align the screws and press them on. It should be noted that you need to use some force to suppress it. Twist 3 first, then twist the last one. This will make it easier to install. Screw is also skillful. Screw it in a little bit first. Just have a fixed effect. There's a lot of room here. Second screw. Pack it diagonally. Put some force on the plate, then screw a little bit in. There's also plenty of space left. Then the third screw is the same. Press hard and screw it in. Same goes for the last screw. Press hard. Screw it in again. All like this. After screwing, just tighten the remaining screws. After it is installed, check the gap on the side. It fits well because of the M4 screw fixing, so there are no empty positions. Then, Simply twist the thread, just in case it's too messy. The machine head has 4 holes. The front and back sides of aluminum parts are also well distinguished. The side with reflective spray paint faces out. The inward-facing one has no reflective spray paint. Take out our baseplate aluminum screws. There are 2 long ones in total. It's the screw installed on the front. Take out the aluminum protector. Mount on the frame plate. Press the screw in again. Just fix it. So is the other one. Then screw it in with M3 screws. Just miss the point. Align the aluminum screws. Press and tighten the screws with a little force. In this way, the installation will be tight. Next, use the same method to install the aluminum parts on the other side. Take out 2 M36 baseplate aluminum screws. Put the screw into this hole. Slight compression. Screw the screw in. Same thing on the other side. Then install the 6 aluminum columns. Tighten with a screwdriver. Don't hurry to tighten the remaining screws yet. Fit the tail after convenience. Take out the aluminum column. You can screw it on directly by hand. When installing the roof later, a reaction force will secure the aluminum standoffs. We screw on the aluminum columns. Okay, finally, let's put in the tail button. For the convenience of loading the tail button, we first plug the LED cable into the light board. This one is longer and plugs into the light board. Pay attention not to reverse the direction of the socket. Then the second one. Then take out the tail. The power cord goes in through this port. Then come out through this hole. We need to check the positive and negative electrodes of the strip. To install, thread the power cord to the side first. Straightening. Then pass the thread through the hole from the side. If you can't wear it, pry it out with tweezers. Then put another thread. Go through the same way. Clip it out with forceps. Let's put the receiver again. Fix the side panels and close them back. Put the aluminum column into the fixing hole. Take out the aluminum column. Insert the screw into the screw hole. Aluminum column hole alignment. The screw presses the aluminum column and screws it in. Don't twist it to the bottom. Put another aluminum pillar on. Then tighten the screws. So the tailpiece is installed. Now we can install the flight stack screws. Take out the flight controller mounting screws. It goes through this hole. Use a screwdriver to screw it in. After screwing, put the anti-skid nut on. Take out the flight control fixing nut and screw it on. Take out the side panel. Connect the side panel socket. Pay attention to this end of the connecting side panel. It's thicker and shorter. Then put the side panel on like this. Take out the other side panel. Connect socket. Put the side panels on again. Take out the top plate and data bar parameters. Pass the small end of the data cable through the hole in the top plate. Make sure the side with the groove and anti-slip pad faces up. Then push the data cable firmly into the slot. Put the camera holder on again. And the camera seat pressing plate is also installed. And then finally, cover the roof. Take out the camera holder fixing screws and screw them on separately. And finally the roof. Just install the screws.